Beauties, I figured it'd be super fun to do a testing out new Walmart makeup 2022 video. And so the first thing I got here is this Lunar Magic brow pencil. This brow pencil is an exact dupe for high end. The only thing I have to say is that I did pick up the brunette shade, and I won't be doing that again. Next time I'll go for the black shade because the brunette shade did have a reddish undertone, and I really just don't prefer that for myself. But otherwise, it had such a beautiful consistency to it. It filled in my brows just beautifully, just like the Anastasia brow definer. It's very similar to that. It's not the micro pencil, it's more of the angled pencil. So then I also got the Hard Candy Micro Brow Pencil, and I figured I would give this a try, but my initial impression was that it really just nothing came out. It was the weirdest thing. It was hard as a rock. No color was deposited onto my brows. But after I played with it today, I kind of warmed it up on my hand, and then it kind of emulsified, and then it will work for you. You do have to push very hard onto your brows to get it to show up. But otherwise, if you do that, it's really beautiful, but it's very, very hard when I first got it. I'm not sure if I got, a bad one, a dud, but anywho. So then I have here the new e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. So I did get the shade light. That was the only one they had left, but I think it matched my complexion beautifully. In terms of coverage, I don't know, I heard some people saying this is a foundation, but I definitely would not consider this a foundation. It's just like the Charlotte Tilbury faux filter. I don't think it had as much shine though. There's definitely not as much shimmer. So some beauties might really appreciate that if you don't like any kind of shimmer on your skin. I feel like this had less shimmer, yet it did give a dewiness and a hydration to the skin. So it's really beautiful. I really like it. I think it would make a very nice primer. Or also you can put it on top of your foundation to give it kind of a dewy glow-like effect. So that would be really nice. So I'm just putting on some concealer. I didn't pick up a new concealer today, but I just want to see how this concealer sits on top of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. So I did get a few other products that I'm going to be showing you. I got an amazing liquid lipstick. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you. I'm sorry, it's a lip stain. It's just absolutely amazing. Wait till you guys see it. So then I figured I would set this with the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. Now, this powder foundation has been just not working for me whatsoever. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like it accentuates my texture. I did also get a very light shade. It's probably way too light for me, and it just looks, it enhances the pores, the texture. And I'm not sure why, because I have another one and I really loved it. So then I picked up this lighter shade because the other one I had was too dark. And then this is just truly, it is a hot mess. If you could see it up close, I don't know if you could see it here, but if you could see it up close, you literally it looks horrible. So I just gave myself a mist of my Alegra Chetti Beauty Mist. Now here is this new lip liner from Milani. This lip liner is so good. I really truly couldn't believe it. It's very creamy. It's retractable, so you don't need a sharpener. Beautiful shades. I got this shade here, which I'll have everything linked below, but this one I believe is it's like a cafe au lait shade, and then they had a deep shades too, like the reds. But if you love nude lips, this is gorgeous. And then I got this lip stain here from Yuma. Now, this is beyond amazing. This is truly the most gorgeous lip stain, liquid lipstick. It's just so stunning. It was only $7, and it doesn't budge. It feels incredible. And I could not, oh my gosh, you got to try to get one. They were all sold out though. But then I also got these Mean Girl lashes from Profusion. They're okay. They're a little bit stiff. So you really kind of have to work the band. But back to this lip, beauties. Oh my gosh, it did not budge. I was truly in shock. I don't even know when it came off. It stayed perfect. Just the way you see here, it stayed just like that after eating, after everything. It's just amazing. So I'm just putting on some mascara, and I put on a little bit of my L'Oreal liner. Love that liner. And yeah, I'm loving, these lashes are really cute, but this e.l.f., no, I felt like it just ruined my look. But then here I've got this liquid blush called Well, actually, no, this is the Unicorn Glow. This is a cooling glow stick. This is beautiful. This is just, it really does give you a glow. It feels cool on your skin. It's beautiful texture. This is an amazing, amazing product. But then this here is beyond. This liquid blush, I couldn't believe it. It's beyond stunning. It's actually a lip. You can use it on your lip or your cheek. Oh my gosh, it's just beyond stunning. So beautiful. Another one that was about $7. You know, it melts into your skin. It's also budge proof because it doesn't move. Lasted and lasted, and it gives you the most radiant glow. So this is the final look. Let me know if you've tried any of these new Walmart makeup 2022 items. Let me know down below your favorites, and I'll see you soon. Bye.